welcome to this week's cooking vlog. Flavor with favor. I'm Rob's over there. I'm gonna have a hard time saying that for a little bit. Excuse any lipstick on my teeth. I did cook lunch today. I didn't cook anything, but I did make lunch today and completely forgot to vlog it. I was just in a hurry, so I just didn't do it. But what I did make was the Skinny Taste avocado egg salad. That's what it was, and it's very good. I didn't have any onions, the chives, so I didn't add those, but I did add to it some diced pickles or pickle relish because it just needed it. So I added that in there. I will show that to you in just a second. Currently, I am about to start dinner, and cook time 1 hour, prep time 30 minutes, so an hour and a half, and it's already 5 o'clock. Maybe I shouldn't make this tonight.
Yeah, make it just something frozen pizza night or something.
Yeah, I think I'll just make some hamburger patties tonight, and that's what we're gonna have for dinner, and tomorrow. Okay, so I didn't end up making any of those things for dinner. I actually ended up making a quick pasta sauce. All I did was, and I didn't show you. I'll show you real quick. All right, there it is. I'm defrosting those for tomorrow night. There it is, just a quick, simple pasta sauce. I fried up a pound of ground beef, and I put in a can of spaghetti or tomato sauce, plain old tomato sauce, and a whizzed up can of tomato chunks, pieces of tomato. What is that called? Yeah, those. I used my Trader Joe to season the meat, and then I put in a teaspoon of garlic. I put the garlic in the seasoning and fried it up real quick, and then added the tomato sauce. Oh, and I put in about 1/4 to 1/2 cup of chicken stock. Just gives it a cooked all day kind of taste. It makes it a little more rich. And then I put 1 serving of this. This is from Costco in the bowl, and put the sauce on top, and then added some cheese, some mozzarella, and some Parmesan. And there you go. That's it. That's my dinner. I'm very excited to eat this. I'm sure it's tasty. It's exactly what I wanted. Just some comfort food tonight. You know, busy day. It's nice to have some comfort food. And here's a bite. A scoop of ricotta would be really good in here. Even a scoop of cottage cheese, if you will, would be delicious in here. Yes, absolutely. We'll call it faux-lasagna. It's Tuesday, the 19th of March. It's gonna be a really short cooking vlog this week because we're about to cruise, so I have to kind of end the vlogs early so I have time to edit them and get them uploaded. So it'll be 2 short vlogs this week, but we'll be live a couple of times this week. So we're having hamburgers for dinner. So I really like this pan. It makes it so much easier to cook hamburgers, and I don't have any smoke billowing in my house like I normally do when I use the cast iron. So I just took the hamburger meat, I measured out 4½ ounces, and I patted it down. We like our patties really thin. You may like yours really thick. However you like your patty, do your patty. And then I used my Trader Joe garlic, you know, my favorite stuff here. I need to go get some more. I have 1 backup, but I mean, this one's almost empty. So I go through it pretty quickly. And that is all the seasoning I put on my burger. You can put chili powder on your burger. You can put chili powder and cumin to give it kind of a Mexican taste. You can put onions, peppers, mushrooms, whatever you want. Typically, I will saute some mushrooms for Rob and put with Swiss, but tonight he wants American cheese, so we don't put the mushrooms with American cheese. You can, but I just don't. And for me, I will have avocado, pickles, pickles. I don't have any red onions tonight, but normally I'd have red onions all over that. Mayonnaise, no bun. And then I have some leftover green beans from dinner a couple of nights ago that I'll be cooking. And I think I showed that. I think we cooked that, yeah. Or maybe that was Sunday. I don't know. I'm confused on my days. It's Tuesday. I don't think I cooked that yesterday. So no, that was last week. So there you go. But this pan is awesome. Now, if I showed this the other day when I got this from Amazon. I wanted a pan, a grill pan, and this one is fantastic. It's non-stick. It wasn't $100, and it was straight from Amazon here in 2 days. There we go. It's the Cook's brand. Very inexpensive pan, but it's anodized, whatever. So it's been working great. I'm very, very pleased with it. Anyway, so we're gonna have that. I have tater tots in the oven curly fries in the oven for Rob, and there you go. There you go. I decided to go ahead and make some chicken sausage, so. That is the poblano chicken sausage from HEB. It's really, really good. There you go. That's my dinner. Okay, we ran to Costco and to HEB. There was no sense in doing a haul. It wasn't anything keto friendly. Well, I mean, Costco was. But we bought some things for Chandler. We didn't need to do a haul, but I wanted to show you some of the things we picked up from Costco. Two big things of hamburger meat, and I split everything up, put it in zip top bags, and they're in my freezer. So I'm good to go on that for a couple of weeks, maybe a little longer. This is my favorite rice cauliflower. I get it at Costco. There's 4 containers of it in here, and each container for me is like 3-4 servings. I forget. There's 21 servings in this bag. So, but it's in 4 bags. And you can't really break apart the bags while they're frozen. Maybe if you let them defrost a little bit, you could kind of portion them out, and that way you wouldn't have to cook it all, but I just cook it all and eat it throughout the week. So this is my favorite. I bought 2 of these from Costco. The hamburger meat, bacon. I bought bacon, which is sitting over here waiting to go in the oven. And then I bought these. So my knives are old. I've been trying to replace them for quite some time. The last set I bought came from Costco. They were Costco brand chef knives for restaurant supply. They worked great. I've had them for several years, probably 5 years, and they were like $11. These were like $11.99 or $12.99 or $17.99. I don't remember. It was one of those. And I picked them up because we needed new knives. So we will wash them, and I'll put them in the drawer, and we'll have knives. I picked this up to take on the cruise ship. I also have this that I ordered from Amazon, which it's not the freshest. It's a little firm. It's got a whole nother year on it. Anyway, and then this I picked up at Kroger to try. I'm taking these both on the ship with me just in case I run into a problem and I need to eat something and I can't, or we need to go in, we're going into port, and just in case. I just worry, just in case. So I'll bring these with me. And what else was I gonna bring? Oh, I have a Nut Pods creamer and a itty bitty teeny tiny little whipping cream to go with me. So, and they're sealed. So those will go with me and go in the little refrigerator in the room. Hopefully they still have one. I didn't even think about that. Well, if they don't, I'll have to have a bucket of ice. So. Okay, so it is Thursday, 5:40 p.m. We had tacos yesterday. We're having leftover tacos again. This week's cooking vlog is gonna be all about quick, easy, get it done because we don't have time to cook this week. So, here are the tacos. There you go. That's them. That's taco. Here's cauliflowered rice. I just heated it up in here. I'm just gonna eat it out of here. Whatever. That's a salsa bowl. And then here's a little salad. So this is a half a cup of lettuce, shredded lettuce, and then my pico de gallo from HEB. No, this is not a low carb friendly food, but my body loves this. I love it. I'm gonna have it. Not a ton of it, but I believe this whole container is 6 carbs. Oh, let me look better, hang on. It's 5 carbs for the whole container. I did not eat the whole container. That's what I'm having tonight. That's 2, 4, 6 teaspoons, so 2 tablespoons. So there you go. And then there's the salsa, I mean the queso, which is the white queso. So what I'm gonna do is I will have my cauliflower and I'll put the taco meat on that, and then I will pour some queso on top, and I will dip into this with a bite of that. Oh my goodness, my camera went crazy for a second there. Anyway, so I'm gonna make this real quick and then I'll show you what it looks like when it's all done. There we go. I mean, it's just simple. I poured some of the queso on top. That's 3 tablespoons. I don't know what I poured on here, but I can have 3 tablespoons. And then there's that, and I'll just dip into that. I haven't made my tortillas in a week or so. So when I get back, I am out of focus again. I don't know why this keeps switching to manual focus. I need to fix that. So I'll be making tortillas after we get back from the cruise. So you will not see a cooking video next week because we will be cruising. So just remember that. We will probably be on a live that day anyway. So there'll be a video from us on Saturday, just not a cooking video because I will be traveling all week. So, and then I'll kind of put together a montage of what we ate on the ship. So we'll do something like that later after we get back. That won't be up, was it April? I don't know what day it'll be. There won't be a cooking video.
March 30th.
March 30th? No, this one goes March 30th. So what's the week after March 30th?
April 6th.
April 6th, there'll be no cooking vlog, but we'll have something else that day go up. Okay, so I'm gonna go eat my dinner. Thank you so much for watching. I know this was short and quick this week and full of just quick, easy things to eat, but I just wanted to kind of give you an example of what you can do and what you can eat when you have no time. So quick, easy, simple foods. All right, thank you so much for watching, and we will see you week after next. Bye.